Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 320. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here and a 4 here, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 covering here and here, so 2, 8, 2, 8, and that means that our 4 for that row has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. But that 2 makes this our 3. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8, no help here, 6, 8, 9, and no help here, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. That 6 makes this our 8. So now with that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8, 2 here, so 4, 8, and that means the only place the 2 can be in that row is here. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 8, 5. That 8 makes this our 4. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6, and that 6 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. And for this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3 and 6. And that'll do it for today's puzzle, as well as the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.